Okay, so just tell us about your first meeting with SRK.
I think it was the photo shoot of King Uncle. Logically, yes, it would have to be. I was very little. I was 9 years old.
Okay.
That was a long time back. So yeah, we were at Rakesh Shrestha's studio, and
So this is like a story that starts with once upon a time when
there
Pooja
was
Rupare
nine.
was 9 years old.
once
Oh
upon a
wow,
time,
what a rhyming line this is.
there lived a small girl
Right.
who didn't do just one film with SRK, who did 2 films with SRK. Can you imagine how lucky can one little girl be?
Exactly.
This little girl. When this girl was little. No, not this little.
He also taught me photography.
Ah,
I know.
okay.
My father had an
Yeah.
SLR camera, which I was playing around.
Back then.
Yes, which is still there at home. But I didn't know how to use it. Obviously, I was 9 or 10, and he is so sweet as her. Really, we were sitting in Goa, so he sat me down and he explained to me how the focus and the aperture works and the principles of photography. And I remember even back then thinking, यार अभी तो बड़े होकर फोटोग्राफर बनना ही है, देखो कौन सिखा रहा है मतलब मुझे फोटोग्राफी.
ऐसे बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. चुटकी.
Yeah. Memories and meeting Shah Rukh that time and all everything.
I think a lot had happened in Shah Rukh's life between King Uncle and Dilwale.
Right.
Like he had shot to fame, and I think Deewana had happened.
Yeah, a lot of it.
A lot of big stuff had happened to him, but he was the same. I have to say that being on a different set at a different point, and even many years after Dilwale, we shot a Belmont commercial together, and he was just as warm. He was the same old good guy, and there's a reason why great people are great. It's because they're really, really great, and they're really nice.
Right.
And they never forget that they finally are just people.
In fact, we've spoken to a lot of people who've worked with Shah Rukh Khan really close.
Correct.
And everybody had to say this one thing, that Shah Rukh Khan has the best memory ever. And
does?
He probably wouldn't remember a person by name, but then he would just remember the person by looking at it.
He
At the
does,
person.
he
And
does.
he'll
He
be
has
like, okay,
a
ye hua tha, wo hua tha. And
Yeah.
I'm like seriously,
Yeah.
that happens?
Yeah.
So he remembered that
He
you're the
does.
same girl from King Uncle.
Yeah,
and
totally,
taught you
totally,
photography.
totally.
So किस नाम से शाहरुख एक्चुअली आपको बुलाते हैं?
Pooja?
पूजा सिंह.
Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे लगा DDLJ के बाद ये चेंज हो गया होगा, चुटकी हो गया होगा.
No. I think he's very suave like that.
Okay.
He knows that a lady would like not to be called Chutki 20 years after the event.
Yeah, that was.
He's a thorough gentleman.
Okay, so पूजा जब आप लोग फिल्म शूट कर रहे थे दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे तो उस वक्त लाइक सेट पे जो माहौल हुआ करता था वो कैसा हुआ करता था? That one film is like all-time favorite of I think
Everyone, the world rather.
Yeah.
Not just Indians,
That
the world.
generation.
I know.
Very true. The atmosphere was extremely light, very fun. Unfortunately, I was too young to be part of that fun all the time because I was stuck at that awkward age. You know how you
How
see,
old were you then?
I was 13.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just entered into your teens.
Yeah. So like you're dying to grow up, you're dying to go out at night and go to discotheques and party and do
Right.
all the things that
Yeah.
older
And you
people
guys
are
were shooting in London, imagine.
Please, we didn't go to London.
Oh, you didn't go to London?
Oh, that was all.
It was a set. It was a very well done, meticulously done, constructed set. All my friends thought I went to London. I was like,
Yeah, man.
I didn't go. Shut up. जले में नमक मत डालो. लेकिन जो किताबें में थी ना बुक वो किचन में के सेट पे वो भी मतलब लंदन से थी. इतना डिटेल में उन्होंने मतलब
यार इससे अच्छा तुमको लंदन ही ले चले जाते ना वहाँ पे.
अच्छा बनाया था. The only time I remember really hanging out with everyone was when we shot the final climax of the film, and that again was not in Punjab. It was in Panvel.
Oh.
I know.
Ah.
That was pretty cool, wasn't
Okay.
it? That whole Simran going in the train and the
Like-
sequence is Panvel, not even Punjab.
Like, I, the only thing that's coming to my mind are 3 words, right? Like, what the? Like, I've been fooled for so many years.
Yes,
until now. Until now.
Want me to tell you another thing that fooled me for so many years?
Yeah.
My chashma didn't have glasses.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh.
Yes, I know. Wasn't that so cool? So because
मतलब कितने सारे DDLJ के secrets एक पे एक
I think it's
सामने आ रहे हैं.
these documents can be declassified now. Enough time has passed, don't you think? So we were in Panvel, and
Okay.
every night we play Articulate was a game that we would play, which was kind of like Taboo.
Okay.
And back in the day, those games had not yet come to India.
13 साल की बच्ची टैबू खेलती थी?
हाँ, I said now I was
Okay.
smart. They cast me for a reason. You know, I
क्या
didn't
है?
just act the part. I was that character, literally,
Okay.
in real life. Many years later, it has occurred to me, dude, this casting was damn good because I'm still the kind of person who'll say miserably honest things at the worst time. You know, so.
क्या मतलब शाहरुख खान कुछ ऐसे प्रैंक्स भी सेट्स पे खेला करते थे?
He's very witty. The man is so intelligent. Oh my god, isn't that the sexiest thing about someone? But I don't necessarily remember him being a prankster.
No?
No. Very helpful, in fact. If
Yeah.
there was ever like we were shooting something and he thought that if I did it this way, it would be better. He was the most generous co-actor that I have ever worked with. You know, he'd be willing to do it no matter how many times you needed to get it done. He'd never make you feel like I'm a star now, I'm not going to give a retake or anything. No. It's our scene and we're going to do it the best we can. So I think as a human being, I've learned so much with, you know, brief brushes that I've had with the greatness that is SRK, I must say.
On 31st Jan at 4 p.m. it's going to be Shah Rukh Khan who's going to be sitting right here and doing the beam. So if you are there and you want to ask him a question, what would that question be?
How do you have so much energy?
Okay.
What is the secret to you being so tireless, you know? Because I find that most people have great ideas and great intentions, but it's the following through with them that is your life's work, and so difficult on a daily basis to consistently do it for decade after decade after decade, and to do it so tirelessly, effortlessly, beautifully. I would love to know how he does it. He's got too much. Like how that man is not yelling at people from the moment he wakes up. I don't know. Like if you give me 5 things to do in a day, I'll be stressed about it. He has 50 million things to do, and he still manages to be very sweet and connected with his environment and concerned and considerate about people around him. And like wow.
Wow.
Step one, yes.
Okay.
And you have to show us that step.
For shizzle, I'll do it.
Give it. Oh.
चलो हट जाओ भाई.
चलो.
जा पकड़ ले अभिलाषा.
Any like favorite dialogue of Shah Rukh from DDLJ?
I like all his dialogues. I like him so much. You can't make me pick one.
Your favorite one?
एक छोटा सा तोहफा एक छोटी सी दुल्हन के लिए is what he says to me when he
Yeah.
gives me the cowbell.
Thank you for joining us and thank you for being on our show.
Yeah, it was so awesome
It was
to
my
have
pleasure.
Pooja Rupert in.